Welcome back to another episode. Today we're in the gray Audi, and we're looking at a specific odd code. It's a 02983 connection between Impedance Converter 1 and Window Antenna. I had this error and could not find a whole lot of information about it, but it turns out it is just this little module. You can pick them up on you can pick them up brand new from Audi if you want to, but they're all over eBay. You can pick them up really cheap. But if you have this error, it is most likely going to be this module, and it's in the pillar in the back seat, and it's very easy to replace. So we're in the back seat behind the driver's seat, and you want to come all the way in, and you've got your two rear pillars back here, and it is on the one behind the driver's seat, and it is a little bit harder to access with the headrest, and my seats don't come down, so we got to deal with it with the headrest on. But this whole piece will pop out. Just be very gentle. There are a lot of wires and an airbag behind there, but I just wedge all my fingers inside here and just gently pull down. And it sounds like it's breaking, but it's not. It's just the clips coming out of the metal, and then you just kind of lift up and then fold it down, and it'll just come right out. And this one is really old. I see I actually just cracked mine down there at the bottom. So just be really gentle, save your clips, and this will just come right out. And there's our module right there. It's hidden right up here, and you got two wires coming out that go to the window, and then you've got your antenna and receiver wires all right there. And it's got two screws, one on each side. These two are already out, so one there, and these are Torx bits. Yeah, those were just like hand tight in there. And then these just clip from the top and pull out, and nice and color coded, white, yellow, and gray. And then these guys should just slide out. Of course, they have to be the difficult ones. I'll try my angled needle nose pliers. And we don't want to break it or pull it off the window. There's one. And two. And then it's actually clipped in. That's why it's not falling down on the side there. So this will slide down and then come out. And if we look at them, they're identical, same part numbers, different manufacturing date. So just reverse order, slide it in underneath those clips, and I'm gonna go find a Torx bit for that. So it's a T25 Torx bit. Start it by hand. plug this guy back in. Plug this guy back in. And then match up your colors. They kind of only clip in one way with that little plug that goes with the latch there. And that's job done. Let's go clear the code, rescan it, and see if it comes back up. Alright, so still have the code. Let's go back and clear fault codes. Yes, yes. Alright, so now the radio currently has no fault codes. We're going to read again, still no fault codes. Alright, so I'm going to start the car, do a whole cycle, and then see if it actually returns back or not. Alright, so we're going to select system, and that was the radio. And read DTCs. And that is just for, because I've got an RS nav unit up here, that is a normal diagnostic, but the other code has disappeared. It's an easy fix, it's an inexpensive fix. And it actually controls your radio and the receiver for your key to lock and unlock your car from your key. So it's kind of an important device. It's super simple to replace, relatively inexpensive, easy do-it-yourself project. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.